What is up, everybody? 𝐷𝙑𝙫 𝐏𝐲𝐽 here, and guess what? I'm in beautiful Las Vegas. I'm in SellerCon event where all the amazing people come from all around the world, and I just finished my speech about how you can take your own Amazon brand and create it into your own Shopify store. So what I have prepared for you today, I have prepared 5 solid tips on how you can do the same. So let's get started with tip number 1, which may seem obvious or silly to you, but you need to be prepared to get started. And you know what? Running your own e-commerce store as you're running your own Amazon business is a real business model. It takes focus, it takes time, you need to have everything prepared to get started. So I would highly recommend for you to get on some solid training, get to hang out on the Facebook groups, or even get started with YouTube tutorials and understand how the whole business model works. The next thing that you need to focus on is the product. And I can tell you right now from my experience, people talk about Facebook ads a lot, and you need to be an expert, and manual bidding, and lookalike audiences, and these are awesome, but you don't need everything to be super successful with Shopify. In my experience, I've been doing this for many years. It all comes down to the actual product. If you find the product that people love, people will buy. Even if your Shopify store is not perfect, people will still buy. So what you need to do is you need to find a need, you need to solve a big pain point, and you need to find a really hungry audience in order for people to get to buy your product. And tip number 3, how do you find that hungry audience? Let's talk a little bit about Facebook ads. And Facebook ads is an amazing tool, okay? People go out on Facebook, they go out to hang out, they go out to chat with other people, they go out to check other people's profiles, they don't go to buy. But you know what? Since you got a Facebook ads account, people know, Facebook knows your name, they know your age, they know what you like, they know what you are interested. So Facebook ads has a great targeting tool where you can get inside and you can say that, okay, I'm into fishing, for example, and I need to find how many other people in this world or in the United States are into fishing. You can get into segmentation, so I would highly recommend that you get inside the Facebook ads platform and try to understand better your audience. Solid tip number 4. Pay attention to your store and pay attention to the speed of your store, okay? Nobody really likes to talk about the technical stuff, about speed, but speed is what really makes or breaks a business, okay? People don't like to hang around a lot for a website to load. So would you wait for 15 seconds for a website to load? No, of course you wouldn't. So I highly recommend that you get in your store, install Google Analytics, and see how much time does it take for your store to load. There are many good developers out there that they can take that time, and both on desktop and mobile, they can decrease that side, because for every second that it takes more for your website to lose, you are losing big time. Now we're getting down to the very final tip number 5. I would highly recommend that you invest in your store, okay? Find out a really good theme. There are free themes, there are paid themes. I would highly recommend that you get a paid theme, okay? You can get started with a free theme if you are on a budget, but obviously with a paid theme, you get many more perks, and there are also themes out there like Booster or Turbo that are really good, and most importantly, they have a really good support. So take a look around, see what your competition is doing. Don't copy, just model out what works for them. Invest on finding a really good theme, which is going to be quick, that is going to help out a lot as well, and invest in product photography. If you have products that you're selling directly from China, order the product, have them photograph them, okay, and upload them into your own Shopify store. And as I told you right in the beginning, to wrap up, see it as a real business model. Don't think that because you're running an Amazon business that Shopify won't work, or the other way around. There are 2 different business models, and both can be really profitable, but you need to take the time. Hopefully you really like it. My name is 𝐷𝙑𝙫 𝐏𝐲𝐽, and I'm super happy that I was here. Bye.